Good morning, friends. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the NDA as well as NA examination concerning paper, that is GAT paper 2. As you can see, 22nd April 2018 it was conducted. So let us see what exactly the question paper was asked. So let us find what we have in this paper. Initially, they have asked antonyms, and that, as we can see, it's also known as opposite words. The country's economy must be geared to. So here, what exactly the geared to is? Geared to means designed or organized. So the country's economy must be geared to wartime requirements. So here, whatever they are designed for the wartime requirements. So you have to give the opposite of the geared to, that is unlinked. Why does fire attract insects? Here, attract opposite is repelling. We knew that magnet attracts as well as repels. The party was excellent and I would like to thank all the people concerned. So here it was excellent and I would like to thank all the people concerned. It means whoever is involved or present. So it means whoever is uninvolved is the opposite and unworried is the opposite one. He is very serious by temperament. Here serious opposite is, that is jovial. It means it is he is not at all serious, means he is jovial, that is careless, reckless. There are a few miscellaneous items to discuss in this meeting. Here whatever has been given, that is miscellaneous. It says that homogeneous or seriousness. Here miscellaneous means which are different things actually. Next we have the antonyms again from 6 to 10. So we have been asked total of 10 antonyms and we have the synonyms as well. Due to the postal strike, the outgoing mail got delayed. That is outgoing, opposite is incoming. He had a fine ear for music. Here whatever has been given, that is fine ear. Fine means that is close is the one over here. There is no likeness between him and his brother. So likeness opposite is unlikeness. Cultural diversity in the hardworking place is good for business. Whatever the diversity, that is the opposite of it, diversity is uniformity. Here diversity means various things actually. The company was liquidated within 5 years. I want you guys to comment what exactly the opposite of liquidated. You have to give in this section. Here we have the next is synonyms. I do not want you to lead a life of sycophancy as you did during the foreign rule. So here whatever sycophancies, now they have asked only synonyms. So sycophancy means flattery. It means the way you speak very pleasantly. In India, it has become easy to attack cultural artifacts these days. Attacking means assaulting. A local court granted bail to the criminal on Thursday. Here granted means allowed. The judge told that he would analyze the evidence and then deliver, that is delivering, that is pronouncing or promulgating, you can tell that. The growth and development of the peasant movement was indissolubly linked with the national struggle for freedom. Here whatever has been given, indissoluble means which is strong. So here indissoluble means that cannot be dissolved. It means firmly. Next we have weather conditions have been improving over the past few days. Here improving means becoming better. The confusion on the interlocutor's face was gratifying. Here interlocutors means dialogist. This is the one which is very important. So here interlocutors, that is dialogist. He spends his money lavishly. Here lavish means we can tell very extravagant or generously. The government's new policies will come into force from the next fiscal years. It means whatever has been given fiscal, that is financial years. Abundant food was available for the soldiers in mess. Here abundance means having more, plenty. Here you have to find out the spotting errors. The politician lost face in his constituency when he broke the pre-election promises he made to his people. So whatever had been given in this sentence, we can see here one sentence in past tense and another sentence is past perfect. Here the politician lost face in his constituency when he broke the pre-election promises. Here it has been given he had made to his people. So promises had been made by the politician before only. So you have to use the past perfect one, and then here he broke is the V2. So this is what first action should always be, that is past perfect. Next we have, at the request of the defense attorney, the jury were called and their individual verdicts were recorded. So here the thing is, it is no error in this, whatever has been given. The jury is a collective noun, so that is the reason they are given as were called. So it is of no error. I want you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. More than 2000 question papers have been given for various examinations. All mathematics, English, computers, everything had been given. So you can directly go through the slides. So one of the finest YouTube channel you can never find. So you can directly go through whatever has been given. So let us see what exactly it has been given. Other sentence. Frank Lloyd Wright has been acclaimed by colleagues as the greater of all modern architects. So whatever the error has been given in this, the C you will find in it. So Frank Lloyd Wright has been acclaimed by colleagues as the greater of all modern architects. Here whatever has been given, the greater is not essential. So whatever has been, that is the one which is important. In my younger days, I could run 4 miles. So here whatever has been given, 4 mile has to be there instead of miles. The owner as well as his servants is honest. It is very good. There is no error in this sentence. As well as must be followed by the is. So as well as his servants is honest. That is also truth. That is fine. Next we have the idioms and phrases. Cry over spilt milk. We knew that whatever the milk it has got spilt, then it's of no use crying over that. Complaining about a loss in the past. That is what it has been given. Cut the mustard. That is to come up to expectations. That is what exactly cut the mustard. Devil's advocate means very argumentative person. This is one thing. Devil's advocate. Don't count your chickens before the eggs have hatched. So here don't make plans for something that might not happen. This is one thing very essential. Here whatever, don't count your chickens before the eggs have hatched. So whatever the eggs we have, not to count before to that the chickens. Don't make plans for something that might not happen. So not at all required to make any kind of plans. That's something that might not happen. Give the benefit of doubt, that is regard someone as innocent until proven otherwise. So very essential guys, give the benefit of doubt, regard someone as innocent until proven otherwise. This is what exactly to be remembered. Next, fill in the blanks. We have the tired traveler on in the hope of finding some resting place. That is whatever has been given here. The tired traveler plodded on the hope. Plodded means to walk heavily or move laboriously. It's very difficult to travel when you got tired. The car was damaged beyond repair in the ghastly accident. Here whatever has been given, ghastly means something, as you can see, hurry-burry. So fasten, you can tell. They gave a sumptuous dinner to celebrate the occasion, which impressed every guest. So whatever, they gave a luxurious dinner to celebrate the occasion, which impressed every guest. That is what exactly to remember. Once complete manuscript is received by the publishers, it is typed in the double space. So here whatever, the complete manuscript is received by the publishers. That is what exactly to be there. I am used to standing in queues. So he used to standing in queues. Next we have ordering of the sentences. The subsidiary alliance system was extremely advantageous to the British. They could now maintain a large army at the cost of Indian states. In any war occurred in the territories. So whatever the sentence has been given, here it is not in a sequence. So you have to make it in sequence. As you can see, PSQR is the one which is the actual sentence. So the subsidiary alliance system was extremely advantageous to the British. Then followed by P, they could now maintain a large army at the cost of Indian states. This enabled them to fight two wars far away from their own territories, if any war occurred in the territories. Then followed by we have either of the British ally or of the Britishers. They control the defense and the foreign relations of the protected ally. This has to be the sequence of the jumbled sentences. Next we have, in reality, by signing a subsidiary alliance, an Indian state virtually signed away its independence. Then now start with the, it lost the right of self-defense, of maintaining diplomatic relations, and of setting its disputes with its neighbors. This is what exactly has been given. In fact, the Indian ruler lost all vestiges of sovereignty in external matters. This is the what the sentence has to be QPSR. The sequence has to be mandatory. A mighty popular revolt broke out in northern and central India in the year 1857 and nearly swept away the British rule. It began with a mutiny of the Sepoys, or the Indian soldiers of the company's army, but soon engulfed wide regions and involved the masses, that is millions of peasants, artisans and soldiers fought heroically and wrote a glorious chapter. This is what exactly you have to make out. Next we have, the Indian civil services gradually developed into one of the most efficient and powerful civil services in the world. Then we have, its members exercised vast power and often participated in the making of policy. They developed certain transactions of independence, integrity and hard work. Through these qualities obviously served British and not Indian interests. This is what exactly has been given. Next we have, the ruin of Indian handicrafts was reflected in the ruin of the towns and cities which were famous for their manufacturers. Cities which had withstood the survive British conquest, because you have to come with the, whatever the sentence has been given, that has to come with the proper sequence only. Then we have, followed by this, Decca, Surat, Murshidabad and many other rising industrial ravages of war and plunder failed to centers were developed and laid waste. So this kind of jumbled sentence, if you get that, little bit hard for you. So in some cases you may get or you may not get, that depends on your luck. So here the passage has been given. The rule of the road means that in order that the liberties of all may be preserved, the liberties of everybody must be curtailed. It means cut down. When the policeman, say at a road crossing, steps into the middle of the road and puts out his hand, he is the symbol not of tyranny but of liberty. You have submitted to a curtailment of private liberty in order that you may enjoy a social liberty. That is, we must have a judicious mixture of both. I shall not permit any authority to say that my child must go to this school or that, shall specialize in science of arts. These things are personal. But if I say that my child shall have no educate at all, then society will firmly tell me that my child must have education whether I like it or not. This is what exactly you have to remember. So these are few things which have to be remembered. So the questions have been asked according to that passage. According to the author, rule of the road, that means what? Restricted individual freedom to ensure freedom for all. This is what exactly the rule of the road is. The author thinks that when a policeman signals you to stop on a road crossing, protecting the liberty of all to use the roads, that is what he is doing. That is a function of the policeman. The author is of view that we should try to strike a sensible balance between our individual liberty and our social liberty. So here try to strike a sensitive balance between our individual liberty and our social liberty. These have to be remembered. The author holds that. So this is what has to be remembered. Educating, here whatever the author holds that educating or not educating his child is also a matter of social liberty. This is the main intention of your passage. The most suitable title of the passage would be Importance of Liberty. That liberty is also restricted to some limit. That is what exactly. Next passage we have, my most interesting visitor comes at night when the lights are still burning. A tiny bat who prefers to fly in through the open door and will use the window only if there is no alternative. His object in entering the house is to snap up the moths that cluster around the lamps. All the bats I have seen fly fairly high, keeping near the ceiling, but this particular bat flies in low like a dive bomber, zooming in and out of chair legs and under the tables. Once he passed straight between my legs. Has his radar gone wrong? I wondered, or is he just plain crazy? So that is what exactly the passage is about the bat. Consider the following statements. It has lost direction because its radar gone wrong. Is that true? Yes, obviously. The bat entered the room to eat the moths around the lamp. That is what the reason why it is roaming around the lamp, to eat the moths. After comparing the habits of the tiny bat with those of other bats, the author was surprised to find that it was an expert flyer. The author called the tiny bat an interesting visitor. This means the bat has peculiar qualities. Next we have, what according to you can be the most suitable title for this passage, that is My Nocturnal Visitor. This is the important title for this passage. Next we start with the GK and GS, so which have been completed up to 50. We have the English. Now we have the GK and GS of 100 questions. Who among the following are two civil servants who assisted the Constituent Assembly in framing the Constitution of India? B.N. Rao as well as S.N. Mukherjee. These two were the civil servants during the time of framing the Constitution. Which member of the Constituent Assembly proposed the resolution that the national flag of India be a horizontal tricolor of saffron, white and dark green in equal proportion with a wheel in a navy blue at the center? Who was the guy? That is Rajendra Prasad, who was the maiden. As we are aware that he was the chairman during that time. And you should remember who was the first president of India. That is Dr. Rajendra Prasad only. Next we have, which of the following is not historical biography or biographies? As you can see, Harshacharita, here Vikramadeva Charita, Prithviraj Vijaya. These are all, as you can see, they are the biographies, and there is one thing which was not there that you have to write. But among all these three, you can see these are the biographies. The odd one was not the one. Marco Polo, he had come from Italy. Ibn Battuta from Morocco. Please remember, guys. Ali Reis from Turkey. Nikitin from Russia. That is Sedi. Next we have, which of the following clans are included in the Agnikula Rajputs? Here we can see Pratiharas, Chalukyas and Parmaras and Chahamanas. They are all the one which are included in the Agnikula Rajputs. The author of the Humayun Nama, Gulbadan Begum, who is the sister of Humayun. We knew that Humayun is the father of Akbar, and here Gulbadan Begum, she was the sister of Humayun. She had written the biography of Humayun Nama. Humayun. Which one of the following about the Parliament of India is not correct? Here there are no nominated members in the Lok Sabha. It has been given. It was wrong. 2 Anglo-Indians have been nominated by the President of India, and 12 will be nominated into the Rajya Sabha by President. The statement regarding to the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is not correct. That is, CAG is eligible for further office under the Government of India after he has ceased to hold his office. This is the wrong one. He cannot do that. The Superintendent's direction and control of elections in India is vested in, that is, whatever we have, that is vested with the Election Commission of India. Next we have, which of the following provisions of the Constitution of India become effective from 26th November 1949, that is election as well as citizenship. So from the following provisions of the Constitution of India became effective from the year 1949, 26th November. So that is election as well as citizenship. Which are the following statements regarding construction and Rohtang tunnel is not correct? That is, it is located at an altitude of 5,000 feet is not correct, but it provides all the years connectivity to Laul and Spiti Valley, and the tunnel is being built by the Border Roads Organization. It will reduce the length of the Leh-Manali highway approximately by 50 kilometers. These are all truth, but the problem is with the altitude. Who among the following recently became the first woman pilot in Indian Navy? As you can see, Shubhangi Swaroop, she is the one who had become the first woman pilot in the Indian Navy. The title of Miss World was not held by Sushmita Sen. As you can see, she was the Miss Universe. As you can see, Rita Faria was the maiden one who had become the Miss World. Diana Hayden, Yukta Mokhi, they are also Miss World. The country failed to qualify for the first time in 60 years for FIFA World Cup to be held in Russia in the year 2018. You guys have to comment in this section which country failed to qualify for the first time in 60 years. पिछला 60 साल से for the last 60 years it has got failed, that is Italy. The Defense Technology and Trade Initiative DTTI is a forum for dialogue on the defense partnership between India as well as United States of America. So these are the things you have to remember. As per the policy applicable in 2017, how much foreign direct investment is permitted in the defense sector in India? That is 49% through the automatic route. Which one of the following countries did not participate in the 21st edition of the exercise Malabar? In that exercise, Australia have not participated. Justice Dalveer Bhandari of India was recently re-elected to the International Court of Justice after Christopher Greenwood pulled out before 12th round of voting. That is, Christopher Greenwood was nominated from the Britain, from the England. Next we have, in order to review the income tax in 1961 and to draft a new direct tax law in consonance with the economic needs of the country, the Government of India in the year 2017 has constituted a task force. Who among the following is made the convener of it? That is, Sri Arvind Modi was the convener for that. So you will be asked few questions of current affairs and you have to be updated. The 5th Global Conference in Cyberspace was held in the New Delhi in the year November 2017. Which was the following statements about GCCS is correct? That is, main theme of GCCS, that is Cyber for Ali, a secure and inclusive cyberspace and for sustainable development. As you can see this. Tavi is not the tributary of Indus River, but Bias, Ravi and Chenab are the tributaries of Indus River. Very important, guys. Which one of among the following is the largest tiger reserve of India terms of area of the core critical tiger habitat? That is Nagarjuna Sagar, Srisailam. So this is the largest tiger reserve of India in terms of area. The following is not the coastal depositional feature. That is, stack is the one which is the coastal depositional feature. Which of the following is coastal erosion feature? Sea arch, cliff, hook but not notch. So among this coastal erosion feature we have in the sea arc as well as cliff and hook, but not in the notch. Chemical weathering of rocks is much greater in place with the hot and humid climate. You will find this kind of chemical weathering of rocks. They are much greater in a place where you will find the hot as well as humid climate. Which of the following statements about the specific heat of a body is correct? It is independent of mass and shape of the body and it depends only upon the temperature of the body. This is the exact statement of the specific heat of the body. Which one of the following is an example of the force of gravity of the earth acting on a vibrating pendulum bob? Here restoring force is the one example for the force of gravity of the earth acting on a vibrating pendulum bob. This is restoring force. Which one of the following statements about the refractive index of a material medium with respect to air is correct? It is always greater than 1. You have to remember. So about the refractive index of material medium with the respect to air is correct. It is always greater than 1. Which one of the following statements about magnetic field lines is not correct? There are no field lines within the bar magnet, that is 0.25 meters. Which one of the following alkali metals has lowest melting point? As you can see, cesium is the lowest melting point you will find. Which one of the following metals is alloyed with the sodium to transfer heat in a nuclear reactor? That is potassium. Which one of the following metals is used in the filament of photoelectric cells that convert light energy into the electrical energy? That is rubidium. So please remember guys, in the photoelectric cells, that light energy directly converted into electric energy with the help of rubidium. The statement about ring of fire is correct. It is a zone of convergence, place, boundaries. It is active seismic and volcanic zone, and it is associated with the deep trench. Very important guys. Next, which one of the following statement about the ring of fire? As you can see, it's already discussed. Next, which one of the following Himalayan vegetation species is found between the altitudes of 1800 to 2600 meters? That is Sal. So this is the one you will find over there. Here the statement is correct. Any energy transfer that doesn't involve temperature difference in some way is not heat. This was the correct statement. If T is the time period of oscillating pendulum, then one of the following statement is not correct. Here whatever the statement have been given, the motion repeats after time T only once. Negative. It is not like that. It keep on moving in the pendulum more than once. If an object moves with a constant velocity, then which one of the following statement is not correct? Its speed changes with the time. This is not correct. Here we have English, we have the science one. As you can see, you can directly go through that. 89th question. What is the net force experienced by a bar magnet placed in a uniform magnetic field? It is always 0. Which one of the following has maximum inertia? In cricket ball, you find maximum inertia. That is the reason we will take back your hand to the back, because in order to get hit by the ball. Here 1 kilowatt hour energy is converted into joules, that is 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. Here the gravitational force is not correct. It is same for all pairs of bodies in our universe. Negligible force for atoms, dominant force between celestial bodies, and experiences by all in the universe. So whatever has been given not correct is it's same for all pairs of bodies in our universe is wrong. Rest are all right. Whether an object will float or rest in a liquid, that depends on the difference in the densities of the object and liquid. It is truth. The more salt you have, the higher it will be floating. The device is non-ohmic, that is semiconductor diode is one type of non-ohmic. Which one of the following is the natural phenomenon based on the simple periscope works? We knew that. What are the periscope which are used in the submarines? That is on the basis of reflection of light. Here we have the audible frequency. It is not 200, it is 20 to 20 hertz, 20,000 hertz. Make small correction, 20 to 20,000 hertz. The accidental touch of a needle leaves creates a burning sensation, which is due to inject of methanoic acid. This is what exactly to be remembered. True for the toothpaste, it is basic. That gives the highest amount of hydrogen ions, that is gastric juice. The maximum hydrogen ions will be given. The river is not a tributary of Kaveri. Indravati is the one which is not the tributary. The condition is essential for tea cultivation, tropical and subtropical climate. Heavy rainfall ranging between 150 to 250 centimeters has to be mandatory. Bharatmala project is related to what? Improving road connectivity. The local wind that blows out from Siberia, you have to give the answer to that. The centers is not known for iron and steel industry, that is Renukot. This is the one which is not known for the iron and steel industry. It is not at all known. Renukot. What are the rest options which has been given? That was correct. The essential prerequisite of establishment of a thermal power station, that is availability of fossil fuels, is mandatory. Proximity to a river, it has to be near to the river, lake or sea, and good transport network has to be there. That is the reason we can only have those places NTPC. Adi Mahotsav held recently in the New Delhi is correct. The scheme of the festival was a celebration of the sprint of tribal culture, cuisine and commerce. This was the main reason behind the Adi Mahotsav. Light year is a unit of astronomical distance. Very large distance you can tell. The statement about the electromagnetic waves, sound waves and water is correct. That is, they exhibit reflection is the correct one. Thermal capacity of the body depends on the mass of the body only. That is the one which has to be identified. Whatever the thermal capacity of the body, that depends on the mass of the body. The first term, industrial revolution in English, to describe the changes that occurred in British industrial development between 1760 and 1820, that is Arnold Toynbee. That is the one which have to be remembered. Next we have, which one of the following statements about the Olympic de Gouges, that is, as you can see, between 1741 to 1793 is correct. She was jailed for reasons by the National Assembly. Who among the following built a model steam engine in 1698 called Miner's Friend to drain mines, that is Thomas Savery. So he was the one you have to remember. So model steam engine had been built and Miner's Friend to drain mines had been built by Thomas Savery. The statement about Renaissance humanist culture is not true, that is, it criticized material wealth, power and glory. So this is the one, Renaissance humanist culture is not true, that is, it criticized material wealth, power and glory. Who gifted the Badshah Nama to King George in the year 1799? Nawab of Awadh. So please remember, Nawab of Awadh. What is the name of the award given to the meritorious men in the Mughal court in the form of a robe of honor that was once owned by the emperor, that is Sarapa. So you have to remember this meritorious men of Mughal court, that robe of honor was owned by the Sarapa king. Next we have, who among the following the social reformer started a society for the encouragement of widow remarriage in the year 1866 in Maharashtra? As you can see, Vishnu Shastri Pandit was the one who had encouraged widow remarriage. Name the first voluntary association representing the primarily Indian landlord interesting that was set up in Calcutta in the year 1851. British Indian Association. This was the association which represented primarily Indian landlord interests. Permanent settlement of Bengal in 1793 made by Cornwallis. The rebel who fought against the British in the Battle of Chinhat in the course of 1857 revolt, he was Abdullah Shah. He was the one who had fought against the British in the Battle of Chinhat. 1857 revolt, Abdullah Shah. Which of the following statement about a fluid at rest in a cup is correct? Here pressure is exerted on the wall, that is, and exists everywhere in the fluid but not same at all the points in the fluid. This was the exact correct statement. Next we have, the devices is to measure the atmospheric pressure, that is barometer. Here calcium sulfate in plaster of Paris, you can see how many we have. We have only one. You should know what exactly the formula of plaster of Paris. You can directly message me in the comment section. How is carbon black obtained? By burning hydrocarbons in a limited supply of air. The following properties is not true for a graphite, that is hybridization of each carbon atom is sp3. The purest form of carbon is what? Carbon black. The poisonous nature of carbon monoxide is due to its ability to form a complex with hemoglobin. That is what exactly to be remembered. Next we have, which one of the following elements is needed in the human body to transfer electric signals by the nerve cells, that is sodium. The following first discovered cell is Robert Hooke. He was the one who had first discovered the cell. The group of organisms forms a food chain, that is grass, goat and human. These are the group of the organisms. They forms food chain. The type of tissues will have contractile protein, that is muscle tissue. If by unknown accident the acid secreting cells of the stomach wall of an individual are damaged, digestion of which one of the following biomolecules will be affected to a great extent, that is protein only. This is the what? The exact definition of it. Protein is required. I want you guys to check playlist where you will find more than 2000 plus question papers for various examinations. You just have a look for all subjects you will be given. In which one of the following places headquarters of the railway zone is located? Hazipur, this is located. Which of the following statement is about Indian Academy of Highway Engineers correct? That is, it is regarded society, so it is registered society. It is a collaborative body of both central government as well as state government. Brine is an aqueous solution of what? Sodium chloride is the one which is the aqueous solution of brine. The chemical formula of washing soda, as you can see, sodium carbonate is the one which is washing soda, as you can see the chemical formula with the 10 water molecules. Which is not true about the bleaching powder. It is used as a reducing agent in the chemical industries, which is not at all true. This bleaching agent is used as a purifying water in the municipal department. AIDS is caused by the virus whose genetic material is single stranded RNA. We should remember that whatever the AIDS we have, that is human immunovirus, which has got the single stranded RNA in that. The organelle that is not found in the prokaryotic cells is mitochondria, in which you will not find prokaryotic cells. The part of the body doesn't take part in the process of breathing, that is Bowman's capsule doesn't take part in the breathing, whatever has been given in that options. The statement about classification of plants is correct, that is vascular system is not found among bryophytes. This is the about plants is correct. Whatever the vascular system we have is not found in the among the bryophytes. Which one of the following the correct sequence of the levels of hierarchy classification of organisms from higher to lower, that is phylum, class, order and family. This is the exact from the hierarchy of higher to lower level, that is phylum, class, order and family. Next we have which one of the following statement about merismatic tissues in plants is correct, that is growth occurs to plants due to division of cells of these tissues. That is what is the statement about the merismatic tissues. Union Territories has the highest female literacy rate you will find in the Lakshadweep, where you will find maximum women literates. Here roaring forties, they are strong water fly winds found in the oceans of southern hemisphere, which is the correct statement. The doldrums is a low pressure area found equator where the prevailing winds are calm, and Chinook is a hot and dry wind that blows in winter, therefore rises the temperature in a short time. That is exactly the main intention behind the doldrums. Here we have the final slide. The driest desert in the world, that is Atacama is the one which is the driest one. The statement about the latent heat of for a given substance is it is at a given temperature and it depends on the temperature but independent of volume. That is what latent heat. I want you guys to tell me what exactly the anomalous expansion of water and its role in the human life. Which one of the statement is true about the mass of the body is correct? That is, it is same everywhere. Mass is same but the weight is always changes. Here we have 6 kgs. In the moon we have, on the moon it is 1 kg. The ball balanced on a vertical rod is an example of unstable equilibrium. Please remember, whatever the ball which is balanced on a vertical rod, that is an example of unstable equilibrium. So these are the final slide, guys. This is my mobile number. You have various question papers in my examination, whatever the preparation had been done. So please go through. You have more than 20,000 PDF of GK and GS that can be prepared for all competitive examinations. So you can have a look. I hope this will help you a lot. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life. Don't waste any time.